Nah. I just dropped it and it bounced all the way under my bed and now I'm annoyed. And it's probably got a bunch of cat hair on it now too. Okay, so I know I give you guys a lot of excuses and I'm sorry, but I did have a bunch of videos planned out, and then I woke up literally the day I was gonna get the videos done, and I woke up and my left eye was watery and red and puffy. Turns out I had a sty and I'm still kind of getting over it. It's the best it's been since it started, so hopefully we're on the upswing. Anyways, hopefully we're going good, and we're going to commence the new year with, of course, a staple on this channel, BOXYCHARM. But before we get started, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, and let's just get into the video. Let's open the box, and the first thing is the card, obviously, and the theme is refresh. Got a nice garden theme, I guess. And the first thing I see is this. This is the Dermelect Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Professional strength is what it says. And this is $59. Would you pay $60 for an eye cream? I don't think so. But it says eyelid and dark circles, so I guess you can use it on your eyelid and your under eyes. But yeah, so let's open her up. We open up the box and the product is inside. I feel like this is a waste of packaging. It only takes up like half of it. So why do we need this big box? Like, there's just a waste. And I know it's paper, so it's more eco-friendly than plastic, but whatever. Anyways, so this is the eye cream, and it looks, yes, it has, I mentioned this in my one of my previous videos, how I like when eye creams come with this kind of applicator, especially with the metal, or yeah, because it's cooling. It's really cold right now, so it helps kind of depuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my under eyes. I got this from ColourPop, by the way, and it's really cute, but I thought it would be bigger. But it's fine. Oh, also, I don't know if you noticed, but I got a ring light for Christmas. Thank you, Ty's mom, so much, like, actually. So hopefully I'll have decent lighting in my videos now. My eyelids feel sticky now. Peptides and tightening agents. Targets puffy eye bags, dark under eye circles, and droopy eyelids. Light diffusing pigments instantly blur imperfections and conceal damage, while smoothing and soothing cool tip applicator. Helps stimulate circulation. Pigments? I'm pretty sure it's just white, so I think that's kind of, I think they're kind of just throwing around words for that one. But, I mean, it feels good. Do I see a difference in my eyelids and stuff though? No, but I don't really have a problem with either of those things anyways. So, yeah. Next thing in the box, well, next two things in the box actually, is this and this. This is the ABH Dipbrow pomade, the classic. I wish they would have put the brow freeze in here instead, because I feel like Dipbrow, like, who uses that anymore? And that's probably why it's in the BOXYCHARM, but whatever. And it is, this plus the brush is $39. And the brush is a little angle brush, comes in a cute little pouch. It's interesting ABH is now in BOXYCHARM. I feel like they've kind of fallen off. So, ooh, I like that. It's like, it's hard plastic instead of like soft plastic. But yeah, ooh, this is really thin, so might be good. I'm not Pomade definitely isn't my strength. I mean, brows aren't really my strength in general, but pomade especially I feel like isn't very user friendly. I know some people say it is, but I personally think powder is more beginner friendly, but whatever. This is in medium brown. It looks a little ashy. My hair is pretty dark, obviously, so if my brows look a little crazy, then oh well, I guess. Very stiff, which might be a good thing for brow hairs, but wow, it kind of hurts my skin, not gonna lie. So let's, oh, it's very soft. Okay. I got my eyes primed and ready for the next thing in the box, which is this. This is the thing that I actually picked for my box, so I mean, it's not that much of a surprise, but I'm still really excited for it. This is the Beauty Wanderess Escape eyeshadow palette, and it is $42. And it looks really, really pretty. So I'm excited. I love the packaging. I'm assuming this is a real place. If anyone knows where this is, please tell me, because it's gorgeous. This is the palette. It is really pretty. It's got a lot of shimmers in it. And this obviously is the shade that I'm drawn to. It's this beautiful, like, seafoam green turquoisey color. It's called Sea Glass. This is also a really pretty flourish. It's like a rose gold color. This color and Enchanted would go really well together with like a super simple 2 shadow kind of thing. Yeah, there isn't really, I mean, I guess Nude Beach could, if you have like a more medium skin tone, this could be used as like a base shade to like set your base, but it's a little too dark for that for me. But yeah, so let's just I'll zoom you guys in and we'll do a look. I definitely want to use that blue shade, so yeah. Finished my eyelids, and I was gonna go for like the typical like way I usually do things, but then I was like, oh, what if I did like a halo eye? And I think it turned out really, really good. Like, I'm not really good at halo eyes, so however, even with my finger, the blue shimmer has a lot of fallout. Like, my under eyes are just like all glitter, which is annoying, obviously. So beware of that. I'd probably like put down like a concealer or like a primer first, so it can maybe stick easier. But overall, it was good, you know. The shadows, like the mattes, were really good. They blended out really well. They had a decent amount of pigment, but like not too much pigment where you would like go in too hard and be like, oh shit, and then they like, it's hard to blend out. So yeah, I think this was a good palette. The next thing in the box is this. And these are sponges, obviously, by Araceli. And they're $24 for both of them. So I don't know if they're different or if they're just the same thing but different colors. It doesn't say, so I'm assuming it's the same thing. Oh, these are the Bella sponges, by the way. So I'm gonna just pick one to do my concealer, and I guess I could do like a foundation or something just to get the full effect. and I'm gonna go get it wet, obviously. And yeah, we'll test it out. Oh, that's so dark. Oh wow, that's really dark. Let's see. So I have used this tinted moisturizer before, and it wasn't. I used it with a brush, and it wasn't patchy, but I think the sponge is making it patchy. I don't know. I hope not. That's interesting because I've never had that happen before. Yeah. I just dropped it and it bounced all the way under my bed, and now I'm annoyed. And it's probably got a bunch of cat hair on it now too. So it looks good. The concealer looks good. So I don't know what was happening with the foundation. It looks a little better now. So I don't know. I'd give these like a, I don't know, maybe like a 5 out of 10. 5 or 6 out of 10. 3 out of 5. We'll say that. 3 out of 5. So we are back. I got most of my makeup done and we're ready for the last thing in the box, which is this. So this is a lipstick by Context. Matte lipstick in the shade Tears Are Falling. The sticker on the bottom is black. However, I don't think they would give us a black lipstick, so I don't really know what color this is. But this is $20. And apparently it's a new brand to Boxy. Well, it says lips are left supple, moisturized with a velvety matte finish. And then it says provides a full coverage, rich demi-matte look without the dryness. So which one is this, a matte or is it demi-matte? I don't really care either way, but you know, make up your mind. Anyways, the sticker still is black on the bottom. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a warm nude color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's pretty. Do I think it will go with my look? Not really, but we'll try it anyways. Let me get a lip liner. Wow, I did a really good job matching the freaking lip liner shade. Wow. At first, it was kind of hard to get on. I don't know if you guys could see, but like it was kind of pulling at my lips. Like it wasn't coming off of the bullet very easily, but I think once I was putting it on there more, it became more malleable. It is definitely matte though. It's got a little bit of a gloss or shine to it. It's pretty. It definitely doesn't go with the look though. My lips look a little crusty, so I'll probably, let me put a gloss on top, but this is what they look like right now. Yeah, they're looking a little crusty, but it's fine. So the total of the box is $184. I feel like this is one of the more expensive ones that I've ever gotten, so I actually think this was a really good box in terms of the products, like the type of products they included. It's kind of like a full face kind of thing. Overall, I think this was a good, successful box. So congrats, Boxy. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me on my socials. If you missed them in the beginning of the video, they'll be in the description down below. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!